I also decided to add an extra image to my design, and I custom made this ticket like to a fashion show. It's customized with Kooler denim. And now I'm going to trace the image in Silhouette Design. I'm gonna go up to Panels, select Trace from the menu to trace this image. This is what the image is looking like once I trace it. I'm just adjusting the thresholds right now to make sure that it's not getting any lines that I don't want. Such as this. See if we go up. Well, I'll go back there. I'll go back down to about 30, 35. It's not picking up the lady here, but I'll go back and pick her up on the second go round. So what I'm gonna do is I'm satisfied with what it's traced so far, so I'm gonna go over here, click trace. And as you can see, it turned red, so that's how you know that it has traced those things. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and move my image out of the way. And this is what I am left with. And I'm gonna go back and trace it again because like the inside of the mouth didn't feel all the way. But you get the picture so far. So this is what the completed design will look like once I print it out. I don't know what colors I'm gonna use right now. I'm thinking tan, black, turquoise soon. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and send this over to get ready to cut on my cutting machine. So I'm gonna go up here, click send, and get ready to cut my design. Okay, I'm gonna select. Well, my paper's gonna be smooth, but I'm also gonna be using glitter too. So when I get ready to switch to the glitter paper, I'll just go here and change it to heat transfer glitter. My blade is set to auto blade, so it sets itself, but sometimes I will up the passes from 1 to 3 or 2. And then last but not least, I have to mirror my image. So this is me cutting the actual design out on some glitter vinyl and some black regular vinyl. The glitter vinyl is up on the top half and the regular black vinyl is down on the bottom half. So this is what my first layer is looking like. I've heat pressed it on with my heat press machine that is set at 340 degrees currently. I'm pressing it for about 5 seconds between each layer. The vinyl actually says about 15, but because I'm layering it and it's going to get additional heat to each layer, I'm only going to do 5 seconds. And this is my gold layer. This is how my jacket is coming along. It has 2 layers of colors on it. Well, actually 3 layers of colors on it so far. It has the gold and the light purple, and I'm now adding the dark purple and about to add the black layers. And this is what it's looking like. And then I'm gonna add the final words on it. Well, it is 4:47 a.m. and I am finally finished. And this is the final product. My One Monkey Don't Stop No Show custom denim jacket. Y'all check it out. Got your ticket to the show with your barcode to get in. Yeah, and the show is December 22nd, which is my birthday. And this is a custom drawing that I drew myself.